Hey guys, good to see you all. I'm Suraj, and today we'll be discussing the concept metallurgy of zinc. And the topic is general principles and process of isolation of elements. This is a chapter from chemistry class 12th. So let's move forward. And before moving to the 1 mark questions, let's see an overview on the concept metallurgy of zinc. Zinc has three kinds of ores: zinc blende or sphalerite, that is zinc sulfide; calamine, that is zinc carbonate; and zincite, that is zinc oxide. So zinc sulfide is refined or concentrated using the froth flotation method, where NaCN is the depressant and pine oil is the collector. In the next, zinc carbonate is converted to oxide ore in limited amount of air by heating. This is known as calcination. So the reaction is zinc carbonate with heat gives rise to zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next, we are going to learn how zinc sulfide ores are converted to oxide ores. Here, zinc sulfide is converted to oxide ores in excess amount of air and giving heat. So the reaction will be 2ZnS plus 3O2 by giving heat gives rise to 2ZnO plus 2SO2. Now let us see how zinc is extracted from zinc oxide. The zinc is extracted from zinc oxide by reduction and is done using coke. So ZnO plus C gives rise to Zn plus Cu. Coke is nothing but raw carbon. Now let's see some uses of zinc. It is used in galvanizing iron, used in batteries, used in making brass, as in the composition is copper 60% and zinc 40%. Now let us see the 1 mark questions. So hey guys, now let us move on to the 1 mark questions. Please do pause the video and take down the questions so it would be easy for you to answer these questions. So the first question is, what is calamine's molecular formula? The second question is, what is the collector used in froth flotation of zinc sulfide? Zinc burns with what color? The reduction of zinc is done using what? And zinc is refined in what method? These are 5 questions in multiple choice question I given. There are correct options and each question is only one correct option. Don't worry. Now let us move on to the next type of 1 mark questions. Hey guys, now let us move on to the second type of 1 mark question. Please do pause the video and note on the question, and I would highly recommend you to learn the concept of metallurgy of zinc in the whole book. Read the book line by line, you will get the answers. So now let us go to the question. 6th one, what is the molecular formula of zinc blende? 7th one, what happens to zinc sulfide in froth flotation method? 8th one, calcination converts carbonate ores to oxide ores in dash amount of air. 9th question, the zinc oxide is made into dash with coke and clay. 10th question, zinc is used for galvanizing dash. Zinc is used as dash agent in manufacturing paints. And the last question, zinc is used in large quantities in preparation of dash. So now let us move to the third type of question. Now the third type of 1 mark question is true or false. So as I said, please do pause the video, note on the question, and please do read the book for line by line for the answers. Now let us move to the question. 13th one, brass is made up of 60% of copper and 45% of zinc. Is it true or false? Temperature in the case of extraction of zinc is higher than copper. 14th question. 15th question, zinc is a strong reducing agent. 16th question, the zinc metal is distilled off and collected by a rapid chilling. So these 4 questions are asked in true or false. Please do answer this question. This is matrix mathing. In this I have given you half reaction. You have to find the other half reaction. So ZnO plus gives rise to what? 2ZnS plus 3O2 gives rise to what? ZnCO3 plus heat gives rise to what? 2AgCN taken twice plus Zn gives rise to what? I given down the options. Please find the correct option and mark it. Thank you. Before we move on to the end, let us see applications and facts about zinc. So facts about zinc. Zinc has 5 isotopes and brass is one of the main alloy of zinc. It was used in the 3rd millennium BC, a very old alloy. Zinc is a very important element to human body because it is the second most abundant element after iron. It constitutes about 2 to 4 grams in our body. Zinc is stored in our brain, which is used for learning activities and purposes. and zinc helps in more than 300 enzymes. Now let us see some applications of zinc. It is used as an anti-corrosion agent. It is used in galvanizing iron, and it is also used in preparation of cell. Zinc is used as a reducing agent in paints and dyes, etc. And it is also used as vitamin tablets and supplementary tablets. It is also used as tonics. So I hope you did the questions which I gave. Now let's discuss the answer. So the first Roman multiple choice questions. The opposite option, first answer is zinc carbonate, C. Second one is pine oil, B. 3 is bluish green, A. Fourth one is coke, C. And fifth one is electrolytic refining, C. Now let us move to the second Roman, fill in the blanks. Sixth one, zinc sulfide, ZNS. Zinc is prevented from coming to the froth. Eighth one, limited. Ninth one, briquettes. 10th one, iron. 11th one, reducing. And 12th one, battery or cell. Now let us come to the third one, true or false. So 13 is false, 14 is true, 15 true, 16 true. And fourth Roman is multiple choice question. So A goes to Q and B goes to R, C goes to P and D goes to S. Therefore 4 is correct. And I hope that this presentation and made this 1 mark question easy for you, and I hope you understood this. And I would like to thank my mentor Dr. E. Ramanathan, who gave me this opportunity to present this in front of you. Thank you. Signing off, Suraj.